Hi guys, Mimi G here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to talk really quickly about my latest sewing project. I just posted it on Instagram yesterday. It's McCall's 7786, which is this pattern here. I made view D with the ruffle, and what a fun, super fun little summer pant. So I initially was going to make it out of a solid, but I had this little ditzy print that I showed you guys in one of my fabric haul videos, and so I knew it was going to be perfect. The fabric was nice and flowy, and so it was going to do the ruffle justice. And it did, okay? Now, it's not a difficult sew at all. It has slant pockets, it has elastic in the back of the waistband and a flat front waistband. And it's actually a rather easy sew, and it's easy to fit because it has, like I said, the elastic in the back, so you don't have to fiddle too much with it fitting your waist and your hips. Now, what does take a minute, you guys, is the rolled hem on that ruffle, because child, that ruffle was so long, okay? It was so long. So if you do not have a rolled hem presser foot for your sewing machine, girl, order it on Amazon, okay? I will link to the ones that I have in the description box because it makes sewing that hem so much faster than if you're trying to do a rolled hem like the manual way, meaning you're gonna stitch, then you're gonna fold, then you're gonna trim, then you're gonna fold and press again, and that's gonna take you a long time, okay? Because these ruffles is long, and then you have to do two sides. So initially I hadn't really paid too much attention to it until I got to the sewing of the ruffle, and then I was like, yo, where is that rolled hem foot? Because this is not it. And once I got it, put it on, did a little test to make sure, because depending on the weight of your fabric and depending on the size of your rolled hem foot, you want to test it, okay? So you want to test it on a scrap piece of fabric to make sure that the turn is going to be easy. So if you're using something that's too thick and your rolled hem foot is too narrow, you might have a difficult time. So they come in different sizes. I have a 3 set. So it does like a 1/4 inch, a 1/2 inch, and I don't remember what the other size is, but I use the 1/4 inch one for the pant, and they are so cute. First of all, you guys saw the fabric, okay? So I'll show you guys again. So this is the print. Look how adorable. It's like the perfect little ditzy print. It's adorable. And here's the elastic waistband. So you guys see that the back has the elastic, which makes it really comfortable to wear. And then the front has just a flat front, and it has a waistband facing, okay? And then it has, like I said, slant pockets, so that's really cute. And then the ruffle, which is obviously my favorite part. I mean, the ruffles are ruffling, you know what I'm saying? So I made them, I styled them, I love them. I definitely think I'm gonna make another pair, but I'm thinking I wanna make view C next. So that's probably the one. I don't wanna make the same like pant. Although they are cute enough that I could, and maybe like a solid, like a bright color for summer, you know what I'm saying? But I'm thinking I'm gonna try and do view C. I like the side slit, I like the gathering at the angle, and so I think that's what I'm gonna go with. I need to find a new ditzy print because I do think I want it in a print. I don't have any ditzy prints in my stash right now, but I will see what I can find. If not, then I can obviously just make them out of like a really lightweight linen in a solid color, and that would work really beautiful too. So keep an eye out for that. But anyway, let me show you what the pants look like on, because hello, so cute. I mean, I need to go dancing. You know what I'm saying? I need to go dancing so I could put this on and just do my thing. They are so fun to make, so fun to wear. This pattern came out years ago, like years ago. And I've had it and I wanted to make it. I just kept putting it aside for other things. And so I finally got around to making it, and so glad that I did, because like I said, I love these pants. They are a lot of fun. So if you want a cute, fun pant for summer, this is the one. Also, great vacation pant, like perfect for vacation. Love them. If you have any questions about the pattern, let me know in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.